Electronics. So in this video we are going to see the recruitment news from CSIR NCL. NCL is National Chemical Laboratories. So there is a recruitment for various posts. We'll be seeing all the post details, the vacancy details, qualification, the salary, age details, the application procedure and the selection process in detail. Okay. So first let us see the post details. So the recruitment is happening for CSIR NCL for Pune location. Okay. And the posts they are recruiting are Senior Technical Officer with 2 vacancies, Senior Technical Officer / Fire and Safety Officer with 1 vacancy, Technical Officer with 12 vacancies, Technical Assistant with 10 vacancy and Technician with 20 vacancy. So these are the post and the vacancy details. Now let us see the qualification details. First one is Senior Technical Officer. The qualification they are asking is either B or BTech in electronics or EEE or EI with 55% of mark plus 5 years experience, or B or BTech in chemical engineering with 55% of mark plus 5 years experience. So totally there is 2 vacancies for Senior Technical Officer. So one is for electronics people, one is for chemical engineering. The salary is from 67,700 to 2,08,700. Okay, the age limit is 40 years. So that is the details for Senior Technical Officer. Next one is Fire and Safety Officer. There is only 1 vacancy. You should be having a qualification of B or BTech in Fire and Safety Engineering with 55% of mark and 2 to 5 years of experience also. Okay, so that is the details for Fire and Safety Officer. Next is Technical Officer. There is total 12 vacancies and there is specifically for each vacancy they have given the qualification details. Okay. So for Technical Officer, the qualification they are saying is B or BTech in either EE, EC or EI or Chemical Engineering or Material Science or Polymer Engineering, or if you have MCA or MBA then you can apply. Okay. So these are the various qualifications for the various posts. Totally there is 12 posts for technical officers. The salary is from 44,900 to 1,42,400 and the age limit is 30 years. Okay. So that is the qualification details for technical officer. Next one is for technical assistant. You should be having either first class BSc or first class science degree or first class diploma. Okay. The diploma can be in either electronics or CSE or ECE or IT plus 2 years experience also you require. Okay. So that is for the technical assistant post. And also if you have first class diploma in hotel management also then you can apply. The salary is from 35,400 to 1,12,400 and the age limit is 28 years. Next is technician post. You require a +2 plus ITI qualification plus 2 years of experience. The branches they are recruiting is electrician, fitter, turner, DTP operator. The salary is 19,900 to 63,200 and the age limit is 28 years. Okay, so I'll be giving the notification link in description box. You can see in that there is a long notification, everything they have given in detail. Okay, so for every post, for every vacancy they have given the qualification details. Next is a mode of selection. For Senior Technical Officer and Fire and Safety Officer, for those 2 posts there is only interview. For all the other posts there is trade test or there is a competitive examination from your subject. Okay, so that is the details for selection process, and also they have given the exam pattern. That is for only Senior Officer and Fire and Safety Officer there is no exam. For all the other post recruitment there is exam, and the exam pattern also they have mentioned for all the posts. For the technical officer post, the exam is having 3 papers. There is totally 200 questions, and for there is combining the 3 papers there is totally 200 questions and the time duration is 3 hours. Okay. For technical officer the examination will be B or BTech level examination, and there is a paper 1 with mental ability test. Okay, so there is 50 questions and for 100 marks, and there is no negative marking for paper 1. Then for paper is a paper 1 detail for technical officer recruitment or examination. Next is paper 2 consisting of General awareness and English, 25 questions each. There is negative marking also. 1 mark negative marking is there for paper 2. Then for paper 3, the paper 3 is wholly from your subject. That is, whichever branch examination you are going to give, that branch questions will be there. There are 100 questions and totally 300 marks. Okay. So that is the details for paper 3, and paper 3 also have negative marking. Okay. So there is 3 papers for the examination for the technical officer post. Paper 1 doesn't have negative mark, but paper 2 and paper 3 has negative marks. Okay. Totally there is 200 questions and 3 hours. Same as for technical officer, there is examination for technical assistant and also for technician. And for the technical assistant and also for technician, again there is 3 papers for exam. Paper 1 doesn't have negative marking. Paper 2 and paper 3 has negative marking for technical assistant and also for technician. And if you want to see the paper wise details, please go through notification, because all the other posts other than the fire and safety officer and senior officer, there is written examination, and the exam pattern also they have mentioned very clearly. Okay, so you can see that all details in notification. Next one is application procedure. You have to follow the site recruit.ncl.res.in. You have to apply online by entering all your qualification details, experience detail and everything. Then you have to take a printout or a hard copy of that application, self-attest it, and along with your certificates, that is your qualification certificate, experience certificate, everything, and all those things should be attested. Okay, so all these things you have to put in an envelope, and on top of the envelope you have to write application for the post of whichever post you are applying for, and then you have to send to the NCL location. Okay, the address also they have given in the notification. Okay, so if you see the notification, you will get the address details also. You have to send to that address this hard copies. Okay, I am telling it once again, the application form should be self-attested and all other certificates should be attested. Okay, and you have to apply online before December 2nd. So online application ends by December 2nd, and the hard copies that you are sending should reach there, that is to the address location, on or before 31st of December. Okay, so that is the 2 deadlines they have given for online application and for the hard copy. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from CSIR NCL. There is a lot of openings for all the categories. So if you are interested in working with the NCL, please do see the notification. If you are thinking that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.